So now we have a problem statement, exercise 1.2. The electrostatic force on charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to a small charge minus 8 microcoulomb is 0.2 Newton. Okay, so we have two charged particles 0.4 microcoulomb and minus 0.8 microcoulomb. Due to a small charge, it is experiencing a force 0.2 Newton. Okay. Find the distance between two charges. Okay, cool. F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. So this is our force of attraction, 9 into 10 to the power 9, 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into minus 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by, if R is in centimeter, then R square into 10 to the power minus 4. Alright, so we need to find the value of R. Nine 4 is 3.6 into minus 0.8 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 4 divided by R square. Okay, the sign of F would be minus over here because there is a force of attraction, and the direction of F is opposite to the direction of displacement vector, so it goes cancelled. So R square इधर आएगा, 0.2 इधर आएगा, and it becomes 5. मैं इसको R स्क्वायर को यहाँ पे ला देता हूँ. बड़ा सिंपल है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसको हमने इधर लाया और इसको हमने इधर कर दिया, and 0.2 is nothing but 1 by 5 and 5 ऊपर चला गया. 5 8 जा, तो remaining part let me do over here. R square 5 8 जा 40, 4 into 3.6 into 10 into 10. So 36 4 ja R square 36 4 ja 6 4 ja 24 2. Hence R is under root of 144 is nothing but 12 centimeter. So the distance between these two charged particles would be 12 centimeter. Good. So what is the force on the second square due to the first? So अभी अगर ये इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन में है, अगर ये स्टैटिक कंडीशन में है, ठीक है, विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, तो जो फोर्स ये एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है वही फोर्स, द सेम फोर्स विल बी एक्सपीरियंस बाय द सेकंड चार्ज आल्सो. तो इट वुड बी 0.2 न्यूटन. ठीक है. सो हेंस अब सो बोथ पार्ट वी हैव So both part of the problem we have solved. So ठीक है, I hope आपको ये explanation समझ में आया होगा. It was pretty much formula based question. All the data were given and just need to put the values, given values in the formula, and you will get the value of R. ठीक है. Thank you very much.